Hey, it's Tim, and today is hike day. It is a cold, wintry day here in beautiful Southern California. And when I say cold, it's about 45. That's not that cold. But I'm up here in the beautiful Laguna Mountains. We're gonna do a little walk, check out some scenery. I'm gonna try to just show you the scenery, the beautiful forest today. I'm trying out a few things. I brought some coffee. I'm gonna try some stove tweakages because I've been having trouble with stove performance lately with my current setup, and I'm wearing this alpaca hoodie, pullover hoodie that I got from a local alpaca farmer person, breeder. But it's very warm, and I'm trying it to see how it works in the cold, because maybe instead of maybe just wearing a puffy when it's cold, I'm going to wear this alpaca and a rain shell or something like that. Just testing things out, seeing how it works, see if I'm comfortable. I did bring a puffy in my backpack, but we got lunch, we got coffee. Let's go hike. I was just going through that gate, and this is odd. I'm at about 5,000 feet up in the mountains, and I just found a seashell. It's a seashell. It's all black, but it's a seashell. Isn't that funny? Weird. Hey, take a look at this tree. I know it's dead, but there's something fantastically beautiful about a dead tree. I know, it's beautiful, it's pretty. It's got these beautiful colors, it's got this giant knot right here. And you can see that this piece right here that fell was part of it. It's like leaning on there like a ramp, like a lean-to thing. And it was up there at one point and it fell. And it's been sitting here for who knows how long. This trail's been here forever. But it's beautiful. You can see the grain, the different colors. And on the other side, maybe I'll show you, on the other side there's this big knot hole. It's like you could climb up there and go to sleep. It's beautiful nature. Isn't it fantastic? It's all twisted up and gnarly looking. Find some eats. All right, snack time. Oh hey, I forgot. How about this? As I sat upon this rock, it's getting late in the day, and it's supposed to rain. So I brought my trusty umbrella here, my sunbrella, and today's gonna be a rainbrella. But I'm hungry, and so it's time for a snack. That's weird. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere and I hear a motorcycle. Usually, this place on a Saturday like today is just jam-packed with people. There's traffic on the trail, there's bikes, it's beautiful, there's people everywhere. But today, because it's winter, it's January, and there's nobody out here. I saw two guys on bikes earlier while I was looking at this dead tree. It was fascinating. But yeah, there's nobody out here. It's pretty quiet. Oh, update on the alpaca hoodie here. Very warm. I feel good, except when the breeze picks up really hard, it goes through. But this is a I think it's 50-50 alpaca and wool, like sheep wool. But yeah, it's pretty warm. I'm all right, and it's lightweight, it's breathable, and it keeps your body temperature regulated. But right now, what we've got here in this reusable silicone bag for your lunch sandwich, which I have here. This is going to be a almond. Oh, looks like somebody stepped on it. It's an almond butter and jelly sandwich. Here, in the wilderness. It is beautiful here, as you can see. The trees are in abundance. Now I can't dilly-dally too long because we got pizza tonight. We got pizza with friends, which is gonna be fast. I love to go hiking in the wilderness and then go down and have pizza. That's like my favorite thing. And they have a fireplace. We're going to Round Table. And here in San Diego, if you're familiar with Round Table, here in San Diego, Round Tables are more like an old-fashioned pizza parlor. There's a fireplace in there. There's a lot of dark woods. It's Round Table, so it's medieval times, King Henry, that kind of stuff, or King Arthur, I think is what it is. And so you still have that old school vibe of pizza parlor. Some of the newer ones aren't like that anymore. They're very modern, and it's pizza. It has no concept of like pizza parlor, like old school, from when I was a kid. We used to go to Shakey's all the time for pizza with my grandpa, and it was awesome. We were a little kid. They had these great big long tables. They had a player piano in the corner, and I think it was free. I don't know. And you put the little paper roller thing in it, and start it, and it would play the song. And it was like an old-timey song. It was awesome. Shakey's Pizza. That stuff's all gone. All that nostalgia and charm is gone. I'm sorry. What a downer. I'm sorry. This is a great sandwich. I am loving my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Nothing beats a PB&J. Anyway, now inside I've also got some fruit. Yay! I made it. I made it back. I'm here at the truck. I'm ready to drive home. We're gonna go home and have some pizza at the round table. That was amazing. We had the place to ourselves. I saw 3 bikes total all day, which is fantastic. And now, let's make some coffee. Yeah. Yes. That was great. We're gonna make coffee right now. I'll see you later. All right, so I said I was gonna try, I had a stove experiment I wanted to work with. You know, I have a Jetboil stash at home that I like to use for backpacking, except the pot's a little bit big. So I'm gonna try the my Jetboil stash stove, which is right here, along with my little pot, my little tiny titanium pot, and see what happens. Also, it's pretty cold out, and I had some trouble in the last cold spell backpacking with my Jetboil properly functioning. It was shooting flames and stuff, like fireballs into the sky. Doing some weird stuff. So, we're gonna whip up some coffee right here using my Jetboil stove, Jetboil stash stove, I should say, and what is this? It's like a 550 milliliter Tokes. It's the little one, little tiny one. I like it. It's super light. It's just perfect for a cup of coffee while I sit here and get all wet. Let's pour some water, shall we? That's perfect. That's probably gonna fall over and get me all wet. I'm already all wet because it's raining. It is beautiful here in the rainy wilderness. Well, let's see if it'll flame up in the rain. It will. We got burnage, and we're gonna make some coffee. For today's coffee, we've got the Via Instant Italian Roast. It's the Italian Roast from Starbucks. This is a beautiful day here in the wilderness. Is it hot yet? No. Oh, it's actually getting there. It's pretty close. Now, with the little tear off that you get from your Starbucks Via, it is always very important, very, very important that you take that and put it right in your zippered pocket, so it doesn't blow off. Oh, my umbrella just took off. I gotta fix it. We're dumping that in there, and I gotta stir it with the packet. Yeah, it's hot and it's good. Check out this cool cave thing I found. This weather shelter. It's a weather shelter. I'm gonna get inside. Inside the weather shelter. These logs and stuff. It's fantastic. Still getting wet though. Doesn't have a roof. All right, I gotta book it home. We gotta go to pizza in an hour. I gotta go.